Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the oracle deck, guys, so that will be a general guidance. So that is the card, Virgos. So let's see what are these cards first, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, Virgos. So we have 2 of moons, 6 of moons, and fortitude. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really confident and you have a lot of determination, a strong willpower, and whatever your situation may be, guys, you have that eagerness to solve that problem, to do your best, try your best to resolve that situation. So whatever needs to be done, you do it, and you are someone who faces any situation without fear, guys, and you're fearless, and you are not afraid of anyone or any situation. You face any problematic situation with strength, courage, and determination, and you have that perseverance to see it through, to finish it. So whatever you take up, you do it no matter what. So it may be in your work situation or your relationship, you are the person who helps others. So whatever difficulties they may be in, people can look up to you for support and guidance, and you are someone who is really strong and determined, ready to face any situation, guys, in your life today, Virgos. Maybe you have a lot of friends, and your friends or family, they look up to you for guidance and support. And today in your situation, guys, maybe there are certain things demanding your putting good use of your skills and talents today, and maybe some kind of past has come up today in your situation. It may be in the form of your past relationship, or it may be something you wish to forget. So that person or that relationship is right in front of you today, and you don't know how to solve that situation, and it is simply simply taking you to a different time. Maybe you are thinking about that circumstance from the past, seeing this person, and whatever happened, it is simply making you feel really worried, maybe for some of you, or nostalgic. Maybe you have forgotten those days, those traumatic days, but seeing this person is reviving that hurt or sadness that you would have felt, or some kind of a shock you are feeling today, seeing this person today in your life. And maybe for some of you, you are just shocked or sad, but for some of you, you are continuing that whatever problems you had. So those problems may come back, may start again, guys, Virgos. For some of you, I also see that. And also, guys, in your situation, maybe for most of you, I see this situation is not going to cause a lot of troubles. Maybe you see your past person, you just try to avoid any negative feelings. So you are just brushing them off, just going off without creating a scene, or maybe that is also true with them. So even they don't want any problems. But for some of you, it may take a uncertain turn. So something may happen, guys, Virgos. And I also see today in your situation, maybe with this present person, you are moving towards a marriage or a commitment, guys. So this person loves you truly and they want to be with you, and you both share a great friendship, intimacy, and a beautiful relationship is there in this connection. So you are moving towards marriage, I see, guys, and this person loves you truly. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 10 of Moons. So with this card, in your relationship, you have happiness, contentment, and joy, and you are sharing your passionate dream together, guys, Virgos. So this is the time of happiness, contentment, and you are having a good time together. So you are stepping into a deep, intimate relationship with this person, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Two of Stars. So with this card, in your career situation, guys, again things are going in a very positive way. You have harmony and balance in your situation, guys. So let's see what is the oracle guidance for you all, guys. Trust the flow. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You may have your intuition, or in your heart of hearts, you may have some kind of inspiration or influences pulling you or pushing you towards certain things. You must listen to it, guys, no matter what the people around you will think or feel about the choice you are making today. It is something which you love to do and which is coming to you, which is interesting you unconsciously, guys. So some kind of choice is being made, and when you go for those choices, that is our life's purpose or journey, guys. That is the way destiny will guide us and divine plan will unfold in our life today. So that is the angel's guidance. So maybe if you are inspired, or if you love to do, simply love to do, or you are simply inclined to do certain things, you need to take up those choices, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, guys, Virgos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.